Good day, everyone. So, we are the last reporter. Me and my partner, Christy May Sumayang, kay mag-report all about the 1987 Philippine Constitution, which is taxation and agrarian reform policies. So, in Article 13, gitawag na siyang Social Justice and Human Rights or Republic Act 6657 Comprehensive Agrarian Reform Program. And the Constitution of the Philippines, kay naani siya ang the Supreme Law of the Philippines, Democratic and Republican State, and it is enacted in 1987 during the administration of President Corazon Aquino, and is popularly known as the 1987 Constitution. The Constitution is divided din siya in 18 parts, excluding wala pa ilabot ang preamble, which are called mga articles ang kaning preamble. So, arito sa social justice and human rights refers to the idea of creating a society or institution that is based on the principles of equality and solidarity, that understands and values human rights, and that recognizes the dignity of every human being. So, of course, kaning social justice and human rights kay gi-create ni para sa atong mga tao. And para kay ma-recognize ang ato ang value and dignity kung atong pagkatao nga naday baka ano ta naday rights ba. And of course, ato ang country kay democratic, so naday freedom. Then, based on the concept of human rights and equality, and involves a greater degree of economic egalitarianism through progressive taxation, income redistribution, or even property redistribution. Then, aim di ani is ma-achieve nila ang developmental economies refers to as more equality of opportunity than may currently exist in some societies. To manufacture equality of outcomes in cases where incidental inequalities appear in a procedural just system. So, ang kanay jud nga constitution kanay sa taxation of agrarian kay gi-implement jud ni siya kay para jud kanagaling para sa ato economic nga mo involve or may evolve is manindot pagali. And para sa ato ang Filipinos para sa kayuhan nato matausa. Then ang preamble ang basahon, we the sovereign Filipino people imploring the aid of Almighty God in order to build a just and humane society and establish a government that shall embody our ideals and aspirations, promote the common good, conserve and develop our patrimony, and secure to ourselves and our posterity the blessings of independence and democracy under the rule of law and the regime of truth, justice, freedom, love, equality, and peace to ordain and promulgate this Constitution. So as I said earlier, nga kuan gid kaning mag-build jud kuan ba para sa society gali establish ang government para ma-kuan gali ang mga common good, ma-conserve sila nga to ang Germany para jud sa kayuhan sa Filipino. And Article 13, mao na siya ang gitawag social justice and human rights. Diri na kon sa article nga kung naagaling ka na galing wag na kon sa hustisya ba, so naara jud sa law kung ni gawas na batas sa kanang batas or something na para makalba. And of course, labor and agrarian and natural resources reform, urban land reform and housing, health, women, role and rights of people, organization, and human rights. Mao ni siya ang nabilong gini siya sa agrarian reform program. Then, ang kaning comprehensive agrarian reform program, ano siya program nga a Philippine state policy that ensures and promotes welfare of landless, farmers, and farm workers, as well as elevation of social justice and equality among rural areas. So, nag-focus din siya kanagay sa mga farmers. Of course, naman gina sa rural area ang nagapuyo, no? So, ilan yung gitatag kay para naagali hustisya ang mga nag-own og kanang farm, mga workers sad, kay sometimes manggod kanang wala gali hustisya like kanang gamay ra kayo ang sa mga farmers ana ba ang ilang kuha, then wala gali equality, like imbes nga dapat sila mo kanang dagan unta o kanang or kanang og makwarta, mura gali kanang mas brato gali ang ipagawa sa farmer kaysa sa kanang ang mo kuan mga mamalitay na noy mga negosyante na noy mo mga dato. Then ang CARP or kanang Comprehensive Agrarian Reform Law in 1988 kay na-establish siya in 1998 sa Carl and aim for a nation with equitable land ownership and empowered agrarian reform beneficiaries while others improve social lives. So land ownership sa una kay dito pa ba kayo kung anong mga like naara ba na ipapeles kung sa mga kung maka-own kag land. Then enacted by 8th Congress of the Philippines and signed by Aquino on June 10, 1988. So na siya sa law. Anan kani siya according by the law. And kung if possible galin ay mga problema or nalapas na naka something inana. Kay of course kanang dagid kay punishment kay naman na siya sa law. Dapat din na ito labagon. Then ang objective ani is to successfully devise land reform in Philippines. Nga ma-reforma jud ang mga land and to improve the economic and social status of the beneficiaries of land reform in Philippines. Sige na nagbalik-balik. Ang objective is agrarian reform sa politika kay to put an end to conflicts pertaining to land ownership. So, dalan jud kayo problema about sa land ownership sa una until now. So, dapat maputol na gali ang kanang mga nga problems. Then, to bring about harmony between the rural people and the urban residents. Siyempre, nadyo yung mga mag-away-away libin na sa taga-bukid o sa taga-syudad. Then, bringing stability, political set up the country. And sa social, kay bringing about equality in terms of opportunity, income, as well as wealth. Opportunities, jud, o nga uya ang mga Filipinos. Ang sa economic, kay enhancing agriculture production, enhancing agriculture productivity, bettering capital formation, providing employment to more agricultural workers, then enhancing demand of raw materials and services, improving balance and payments by facilitating export activities, trying to increase production at home, na rely upon enhancing cooperation as well as regulation between agricultural sector and non-agricultural sector. So these are the economic nga objective sa agrarian reform. So ang kanilang CARP major feature kay nasa na siya yung mga benefits nga may hatag din sa ato ang community. Kay it provides for the coverage of all agricultural lands regardless of crop produced in tenurial status of the tiller. It recognized as beneficiaries of the program all workers in the land given that they are landless and willing to till the land. It provides a delivery of support services to program beneficiaries. So, siya kanang program nga talk about sa land gali kung regardless kung unsay problema, unsay dapat buhaton kung maunsa ang maka-own ka og land ba. It provides arrangement to ensure financial security of farmers and farm workers. And of course, kay nabi na yuta ang mga farmers para sa ilang mga tanom. So, nasa na siya yung mga papers or documents na dapat i-kuan para gubot. And it creates an objection body that will resolve agrarian disputes. And sa RA 6657 beneficiaries kay ma-discuss na sa akong partner nga si Christy May Sumaya. That's all for my part. Hatag na ko na niya.
Okay, so arita sa RA 6657 beneficiaries. So una is age agricultural losses. So kaning mga farmers nga wagid kay mga yuta no para tamna nila. Then shared tenants regardless. So mga farmers nga nag-ambag ng taon para makatanom sila ana. So crops, regular farm workers, mga regular farm workers, then seasonal farm workers kanang season na nga makatrabaho sila within a month baron, then other farm workers, then farmers organization, mga organization sa mga farmers, then cooperatives, then agricultural graduates nakagraduate sa agricultural, then rural women, so kanang mga babay nga naa sa mga probinsya ra, then veterans and relatives of enlisted men and women, retirees of the AFP and the Integrated National Police. So kadto sa mga retire sa mga kanang AFP or nagkuan sa mga nagkuan sa kanang gikuha nga mga police bitaw nga kanang kuan, so maka-benefits po sila na mga beneficiaries po sila sa mga sa CARP. Then reveal returnees and surrenderies sa mga ana na may beneficiary. So naapay mga qualifications no. So arita sa qualifications of an agrarian reform beneficiary. So una, be landless. So A, be landless. So kanining kanang nga tao nga wala gyud ilang kaugaling muta. So pwede no nga kanin you are qualified yun nga maka-benefit bitaw sa CARP. Then be at least 15 years old or head of the family at the time the property was transferred in the name of the Republic Act of the Philippines. And so mao ni no dapat kanang at least 15 years old no, pwede na kanang maka-benefit ani nya or head of the family. So mga kuan sila may kanang dako-dako sa pamilya, sila may kanang no kanang sani kanang gisaligan bitaw sa pamilya. So mao na sila. Then have the willingness, ability, and aptitude of to cultivate the land and make it as productive as possible. So naasi kanang willingness nga kanang mo cultivate og mga yuta, kibaw sila mo tanom, kinana kibaw sila nga kanang unsay pamaagi unsaon pagka mga productive bitaw ang kanang pagpananom like mga inana. So pwede sad sila nga kanang maka-beneficiary aning CARP. Then note no sa items B and C nga akong giingon ganina. So kinahanglan nga kadto sila is kanang mga 15 years old mga head family nga makadawat bitaw og beneficiary sa kanang CARP. So kinahanglan nga ma-ensure nila nga kanang matarong gid nila og kanang kuan bitaw naagi bili nga kanang kung makadawat sila atong kanang kuan beneficiaries is magamit to nila sa sakto ba, like maka-cultivate gid sila tarong bitaw in order pud nga kanang maka-promote og kanang productivity no, in order pud nga kanang makatabang pud sa kanang uban like no, especially sa Philippines. Then no, especially sa kanang agriculture no, productive no ang agricultural land. Okay, so arita sa components of CARP no. So sabotable raman sa ni. So una is land tenure improvement, then program beneficiaries development, and lastly the agrarian justice delivery. Arita sa principles of CARP. So mga principles nga gi tagana sa CARP. Then ako na lang ning basahon, okay. So una, highest consideration of the welfare of the landless farmers and farm workers. Ikaduha, recognition of the rights of farmers, farm workers, land workers, cooperatives, and other independent organizations to participate in the planning, organization, and management of CARP. So ikatulo, so provision of support to agriculture through appropriate technology and research. Then last, provision of adequate financial, production, marketing, and other support services. So, wala siya ang principles sa CARP. So, arita sa mga gi-implement nga agency sa CARP, no? Una is ang Department of Environment and Natural Resources or DNR, which is mao ni ang kanang agencies nga na protekta sa atong mga environmental resources, no, natural resources. Then Department of Agriculture, o mga pagpananom. Then Land Bank of the Philippines, and then Land Registration Authority or LRA, then Department of Public Works and Highways. Okay, so National Irrigation Authority, then the Department of Trade and Industry. Oh, familiar kibaw na ta. Then the Department of Labor and Employment or Bureau of Rural Workers. So mo ni ang mga following nga kanang na-implement nga agencies sa CARP. Okay, so arita sa kanang scope of CARP, no? So the ownership or control of about 10.3 billion hectares of agricultural land, representing about 1/3 of the total land area of the Philippines, shall be transferred over a 12-year period to an estimated 3.9 million beneficiaries. So katong 10.3 million hectares nun kanang gi-estimate nga na ay kanang beneficiaries nga makakuha og kanang mga 3.9 million nga mga beneficiaries nga pwede makadawat ani. Then arita sa lands covered by CARP. So mo na ang mga yuta nga kanang nga nakapalibot sa CARP o covered by CARP. So una is all alienable and disposable lands of the public domain devoted to or suitable to agriculture. So mga kanang mga land which is kanang nasa public areas, which is kanang suitable sa mga or mga gikuanan sa mga suitable for agriculture na sa mga pagpananom main ana. Then all lands of the public domain in excess of the specific limits of determined by Congress. Then all other lands owned by the government devoted to or suitable to agriculture. So mga lands na kanang tag-iya gi-own bitaw or tag-iya ang mga naidako-dako mga governments. Then all private lands devoted to or suitable to agriculture regardless of the agricultural products raised or that can be raised therein, or Section 4 Republic Act 6657. Mga lands na covered by CARP. So arita sa mga lands nga dili pud lands not covered by CARP, so wala na covered sa kanang CARP. Then una is those which are not suitable for agriculture and those which are classified as mineral, forest, residential, commercial, or industrial. So then those which have been classified and approved as non-agricultural prior to June 15, 1988 and ruled under the Department of Justice Opinion number 44 series of 1990. Then those which use exempt pursuant to Section 10 RA 6652 and those which are devoted to poultry, swine, mga livestock raising as of June 15, 1968 pursuant to the Supreme Court ruling in Luz Farms versus the Honorable Secretary of Agrarian Reform. Then those lastly those which are retained by the landowner were not covered insofar as land acquisition and distribution but covered with respect to other provision, particularly leasehold. Okay. Arita sa lands exempted by CARP coverage. So arita sa mga walay labot, no, yuta sa kanang CARP. So basahon na nako So paminawa lang ninyo. So lands actually directly and exclusively used and found to be necessary for parks, wildlife, no, forest. So wala sa din labot no ang forest. Then reserves, reforestation, fish sanctuaries and breeding ground, watersheds and mangroves, national defense, school sites and campuses, including experimental farm stations operated by public or private schools for education purposes, then seeds and seedlings, research and pilot production centers, church sites, church sites daw, and convents and appointed thereto, mosque sites and Islamic centers appointed, communal burial grounds and cemeteries, mga daw, penal colonies and penal farms actually worked by the inmates and government and private research and quarantine centers, and lands with 18% slope and over except those already developed. So mga to na mga exempted sa mga exempted lands sa kanang CARP. Sa kanang proof of ownership. No, proof of ownership sa CARP. Especially kung naka-benefits ka. Una, A is emancipation patents or EPS for outlands. Then kanang B, certificate of land ownership award or CLOAS for CAVOS and EO for 7 land resettlement areas and landed estate, and C, free patents for public lands. So mga to ang kanang proof of ownership of land beneficiaries sa CARP. Then note, beneficiaries of the Integrated Social Forestry Program covering agroforestry public lands whose ownership cannot be transferred receive Certificate of Stewardship or Contract or CSCs, which are good for 25 years, remainable for another 25 years. Okay, so mga to. Okay, so arita sa Department of Agrarian Reform. Okay, so una is the LED Implementing Agency of CARP. Then undertakes land tenure improvement and development of program beneficiaries. Then conducts land survey and settlement areas. Kaupat. Undertakes land acquisition and distribution and land management studies. Then last, orchestrates the delivery of support services to former beneficiaries and promotes the development of viable agrarian reform communities. So, maorat to. Salamat.